Hi, I'm Arturo from Emifast, and we have helped over 2,500 entrepreneurs optimize their European tax situation. And Cyprus consistently delivers the biggest legitimate saving for the right candidates. But here's what matters to me now. I am going to give you the unfiltered truth about who this actually works for and who should stay the hell away. Because honestly, too many advisors will tell you whatever you want to hear to get you that business setup. I care way more about giving you the right advice than making a quick buck. So let's face it immediately. If you're a European entrepreneur, you're getting absolutely demolished by taxes right now. Germany, for example, up to 47% combined. France, up to 45%. Italy, 47%. Spain, 47%. And if you're dealing with these insane rates, I genuinely feel for you. And you should call me then, link in bio. When you are building something valuable, creating jobs, driving innovation, paying 40 to 50% feels like straight up punishment from your success. And listen, wanting to legally optimize this isn't greedy, it's smart business that you have every right to pursue. So Cyprus offers you a legal EU-compliant alternative that could slash your tax burden by 70, for example, or maybe 80%, but only if you meet the real requirements, which I'm about to break down for you right now. First, let me kill the outdated thinking that might be holding you back. Yes, Cyprus had a banking crisis in 2013, and since then, they have rebuilt under strict EU oversight and now have one of Europe's most solid financial frameworks. So this is a full EU member with euro currency, over 65 tax treaties, more than most major European country ever has. So this isn't some sketchy Caribbean island that will get you in trouble. It's a legit European business hub where you can operate with complete confidence. But here's what most advisors won't tell you because they want money. Cyprus isn't for everyone, and it requires real commitment. So please, let me show you exactly what works and what doesn't, because I want you to make the smart decision. Let's dive into it. Let's talk numbers. Corporate tax, 12.5%, genuinely one of Europe's lowest right now. But the real magic for you is in the exemptions. You qualify for the IP box regime if you have genuine intellectual property like software, patents, and licensing. Then you get an astounding 80% exemption on qualifying income. Your effective rate drops to 2.5%, and that's absolutely insane savings for you if you really qualify. But please listen to this catch that everyone ignores, and that is that this requires real IP activity. You can't just license some random logo to yourself and call it IP. You don't want to be that entrepreneur who gets audited and then that their entire structure blew up in their face. Cyprus authorities actually verify genuine economic substance. For your personal taxation, it gets even more ridiculous because Cyprus' non-domiciled status gives you zero tax on foreign dividends, zero on most foreign capital gains, zero inheritance tax on foreign assets. Imagine keeping 100% of your investment returns. Thanks, Cyprus. And you can maintain this for 17 years. And that is nearly 2 decades of massive tax savings for you and your family. And what the most advisors gloss over is what Cyprus actually requires from you. For tax residency, minimum 60 days per year in Cyprus, plus genuine economic ties. The 60-day rule is incredibly generous for you. Most countries require, for example, 180 days or anything else, but economic ties isn't some checkbox you can ignore. You need real substance, a genuine residence, actual business activities, meaningful connections locally. Don't be the guy who gets cornered and gets absolutely distracted. Quick example from one of our clients. He relocated his key IP developments to Cyprus, spends 90 days there annually, hired local staff, his tax rates dropped from literally 38 to 6, saving him 576,000 euros yearly. But this worked because he made Cyprus a genuine part of his operations, not just some paper arrangement. You have to do it correctly. Please understand, if you're not willing to make this genuine commitment, Cyprus isn't right for you. And I'd rather tell you this up front than make your money and everything blows up. For your corporate requirements, you need real business activity in Cyprus. The days of mailbox companies are absolutely dead. So think about office space, local staff, board meetings in Cyprus. You are the perfect candidate for Cyprus if you have software companies with genuine IP, international consulting serving EU markets, e-commerce businesses with global operations, investment holding companies managing multi-country portfolios as well. But you are a terrible candidate if you have local service businesses, if you're unwilling to spend real time in Cyprus, if you're looking for pure paper arrangement, or if your business requires significant physical presence elsewhere. Here's a perfect example. One of our clients sold his tech company for 12 million euros. We helped him establish genuine Cyprus residency 6 months before the sale, and Italian capital gain tax would have been 3.2 million euros. And his Cyprus tax, literally zero. That is 3.2 million euros that he kept for his family with proper planning and genuine commitment. Let me walk you through what implementation actually involves. First, we do an honest assessment. Not everyone benefits, and pushing unsuitable candidates into Cyprus is straight up professional malpractice that I won't do. If you qualify, we design your structure, plan your Cyprus residency, establish your business substance. Timeline, 1 month for proper setup. Your real setup costs from 5K to 12,000 euros, depending on the complexity obviously. Annual compliance, 3,000 to 5,000 euros, plus your time investment of course. Expect 15 to 20 days maximum annually in Cyprus minimum. After helping hundreds of clients already to Cyprus, let me give you my personal assessment. Cyprus offers you legitimate, substantial tax optimization within full EU compliance. The legal framework is rock solid. The benefits are real, and for qualifying situations, your tax savings are absolutely crazy. But it requires genuine commitment from you, real substance and ongoing compliance. So this isn't some set and forget strategies where you just can ignore everything and ignore everything after the setup. Everything is transparent. Cyprus reports to other EU countries as well on their automatic exchange. So this is legitimate optimization that protects you, not sketchy avoidance that could get you in serious trouble. Bottom line, Cyprus can deliver massive legitimate tax savings for you if you are the right entrepreneur. But right means you have genuine business substance, you're earning substantial income, and you are willing to make Cyprus part of your life, not just for tax strategy. So please remember these 3 key takeaways. First, we recommend you minimum 60,000 euros annual income to make it worthwhile. Second, you need genuine business substance and real commitment. And third, everything must be transparent and compliant to protect you. So if you think Cyprus might work for your situation, we provide honest, no pressure evaluations. So look our website, emifast.com, and we'll assess your specific circumstances and give you our genuine professional opinion about whether Cyprus planning would actually benefit you. But also please understand that we turn away about 40% of inquiries because Cyprus isn't right for them. That's good business, matching solutions to your situation, not forcing square pegs into round holes just to make money. If this helped you understand Cyprus tax planning, please share it with any other entrepreneurs, friends, family, anyone who might benefit from it. And smash the subscribe button for more honest, practical insights on international tax optimization that actually protect you. Thank you for watching again, and please remember, the best tax strategy for you is one that fits your specific situation, meets all legal requirements, and aligns with your long-term business goals. Stay smart, guys, stay legal, and I'll see you in the next video.